solving a word problem. So let's say the problem is when 13 is reduced by 1/3 of a number, the result is 10. So let's look at each word and symbol and see if we can change it to start looking like an equation. So let's circle 13 is a number. Reduced is a word that reminds me of subtraction. 1/3 is a number, but I could actually replace that with the fraction 1/3. Of a number. A number is something we don't know. We can call it x, for example. The result is the same as the equals, is 10, another number here. So let's try to rewrite this now. 13 reduced by 1/3 of a number, so 1/3 times x, the result is 10. We can tidy up that 1/3 x, writing x over 1, and combining, multiplying top by top. 1/x is x, and 3 times 1 is 3. So we have 13 minus x over 3 equals 10. Here what we could do now, because we are after the value of x, we need to remove the 13 and the 3 and that negative from the left hand side. Where do we start? We have to start from the operation furthest away from x. So the first operation around x is the divided by 3. Then the other operation is this 13, positive 13 that is being added. So first thing to do then is remove that 13. Because it's engaged in a subtraction with x over 3, and the 13 is a positive number, the only way to break it away is to subtract 13 from both sides. So let's see what we get. 13 minus 13, 0, disappears. We are left with negative x over 3 equals negative 3. 10 minus 13. We are still after x, and now we have to remove that 3 from the bottom. Because 3 is sitting under the fraction line, the inverse operation, so fraction line means division, inverse operation is multiplication. So some people just say send it to the other side, multiplying. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do negative, let's write here, negative x equals negative 3 times that 3 that was sitting here on the bottom. So we have negative x equals negative 9. We don't want negative x, so what we have to do now is take the opposite from both sides. So if I want to force x to be positive, I have to force the right hand side to be positive as well. Same as if they were negative, if they were positive and we want them negative, but usually what we want is x, a positive letter, to mean the real answer. So you can check now if this is making sense. So when 13 is reduced by 1/3 of a number that we found was 9, the result is 10. Let's see if this is correct. First, BIDMAS tells us to do brackets, no brackets, exponents, no exponents, division, no division, multiplication. So that's what we do first. 1/3 times 9. So let's do just like before. Write that 9 over 1. Multiply top by top. 1 9 is a 9. 3 1s are 3. I'm just copying this down, and I'm going to check if this is a true sentence. So 13 minus, how many 3's go into 9? Or what is 9 divided by 3? 3. And then now all we need to do is 13 minus 3 is 10. So now the left hand side equals the right hand side. That just means yes, our answer x equals 9 is correct.